from Park Hop Bears, and I've got the next box of the Tsum Tsum Monthly Subscription from the Disney Store. This one's for the month of January 2018. I wasn't sure if I was going to continue the subscription this year. I still might cancel in the next month or two, but I thought I'd go ahead and get January and see what they have for 2018. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Looks like we have pink tissue paper. It's pretty pink. And we have kind of a smaller size. Oh, I got a glimpse of the paper. Now I'm like excited to open it. Ah! It's Mulan! You guys, it's Mulan Tsum Tsums. Ah, I'm so excited! I have not seen any Mulan Tsum Tsums before, and I love Mulan, and I think they definitely should release Tsum Tsums of her, so pretty excited. It's a special collection of characters from Disney's Mulan. And it looks like we're going to have Mushu, Mulan, Yao, Shang, Chen Po, and Ling. So, and it looks, so since there's 6 of them, it's the micro Tsum Tsums. Oh, there's that Mushu. Okay, we'll look at each one. And it looks like yeah, so that's a pretty cool set. I'm excited. Let's take a look. So let's start with Mulan. Okay. So there she is. And she has her outfit. She also has this outfit at the end of the movie. And it looks like she has like a medallion. So that's cool. Now I will admit, I'm a little sad that they're micro Tsum Tsums because I don't think they're as detailed as like the mini ones. But it's Mulan. I love Mulan, so I'm pretty happy. Let's see. Then we have Shang. He's actually pretty cute. He looks pretty good. Looks kind of like he's got like the cape. His hair. Yeah, he definitely looks like Shang. And then let's look at the 3 guys. Chen Po. I'm trying to tell. Look at these up close. They kind of look like, so it's the guys when they're dressed up like women. I think. Like at the end of the movie. Or closer to the end of the movie. So that's kind of awesome, actually. You can see he's got like eyeshadow and like the earrings. That's really cute. At the end, well, I don't know if, don't want to spoil Mulan if you haven't seen it, but yeah. Here's Yao. And you know what? Looking at it up close, it looks like he has a black eye. And then Ling. He also has like blush on. So yeah, I think it's when they're in disguise, dressed as women. That's funny. It's got the earrings too. Again, they have these huge tags on these micro Tsums. That's something I don't quite understand. Look how big that is. And then the one I'm pretty excited for too, it's Mushu, and I think this one looks really good for a micro Tsum. Mushu. It's got his tail. You know, I kind of wish I had Cricky, like the little cricket, because I think he would be a good micro Tsum too, actually. Because he's tiny. But yeah, so that's a pretty cute set. I know I've said it before, but I don't like the micro Tsums as much. But I am excited about this set. I really hope that maybe they'll release the mini-size Tsum Tsums of Mulan, because I would probably buy those. But it's cool that I have the little micro ones. And that Mulan got some Tsum Tsums released. Very cute. I'll make a man out of you. Yay. So that was what I got in this month's box. I'm pretty excited with what was in there. I definitely didn't expect to get Mulan, and Mushu is just adorable. I think he might actually be my favorite of the micros that were in there. Let me know what you thought of the set in the comments below. And something that I just realized, that I think it's Lunar New Year soon, a Chinese Lunar New Year, so it's kind of cool that they sent this around that time. But it kind of makes sense that they had Mulan this month. I'm not sure if they meant for it to coincide, but that's pretty cool. Maybe I'll actually bring these with me when we go to California Adventure and to check out the Lunar New Year stuff. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We post all sorts of Disney and travel videos, so make sure you click on the red subscribe button so that you know when we post new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!